I would like to demonstrate with you how to use the KnitPro Nirvana pom-pom makers. You get these in a pack of 2. This is one of the larger ones, so this comes in a pack of the 65mm diameter pom-pom and also the 85mm diameter pom-pom. This one is the 65. I always used to use 2 pieces of cardboard cut out and going in and out and in and out. Oh my goodness, this is a life changer. You are going to enjoy doing pom-poms. I actually have so many plans for pom-poms now because I just want to use this so much. I will demonstrate with several different colours just so you can see how the yarns will sit on the pom-pom. I recommend using something fluffy. Don't go using something really drapey like silk or cotton. I prefer to use wool or alpaca, or acrylic would be absolutely fine as well. The pom-pom maker comes apart in many different ways. But to begin with, you pop that together, and we're just going to take 2 of the little legs, and I'm going to take one of my colours. I'm going to take my red, and I'm going to wrap it around these 2 little legs. I'm using 2 strands at a time, get it done really quick. I'm going to slip those 2 ends in between the 2 legs, so they're like that. Brilliant thing with the KnitPro pom-pom makers is it's textured, so the yarn sits in position a bit better without slipping around. Now just holding those 2 together, just start wrapping. So it's just a case of wrapping all the way around until this is really nice and full. The way I tend to tell if it's full is this is no longer like a U shape. It will be pretty much straight across. So I will wrap this. I will try to time it as well so you know roughly how long it's taking me. And as you can see, where we had this U shape, it's pretty flat now. So I'm quite happy with that. All I'm going to do is snip my yarn, keeping hold of the end just so that it doesn't go running away, and then close that over. Now I'm going to repeat for this side. So opening it up, I'll do this one. I'm going to do this one in brown just so you can see on the pom-pom how it's all going to sit. And pop the end in between those 2 little legs, just like that, and then start wrapping. So this side is a single strand of double knit. Both of these are 80% alpaca, 20% wool. There we go. That's pretty much full. As you can see, it's quite a straight line across there. I'll snip and close. Now is the time for cutting your pom-pom. So in the past, when I've done with 2 pieces of cardboard, this is where it all goes wrong. But this will keep it together really nicely. So I'm taking a pair of sharp scissors, and I'm just going to snip along here. And all those ends are being held in place, so you don't have to worry about it all falling apart. Just where I've got my start end there, I'll just give it a bit of a snip. I prefer to start cutting on the opposite end from where it opens up, so on the hinged end rather than the open end, just so that it doesn't open up. There we go. So that's all snipped. I'm just going to use another colour here to tie the pom-pom, just so you can get an idea of what each section of the pom-pom's doing. So I've just got, I don't know, about a foot long, foot and a half long length of blue yarn, and I'm just going to lay that in between those two discs. Holding the two, I'm going to pull it, and that's going to go right in the middle of the pom-pom. Now I'm not going to tie a knot yet. I'm crossing them over and I'm pulling around to the other side. Now I'm going to tie a knot, nice and tight. I like to make sure my pom-poms are really secure, so I turn it around and tie a knot on the other side. Now we're going to open up, fluff up, open up, fluff it up, and then we're just going to wiggle the two apart. So that's where it's been wrapped around. It's all just been sat on that pin, and then give it a fluff, and you can just go around with your scissors and give it a bit of a trim just to even it all out. But that took me less than 5 minutes, I'd say, and you've got a perfect pom-pom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I'll put a link in the description to the website where you can get one of these pom-pom makers. Thank you so much. See you soon. Happy crafting. Bye.